Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear students, I am okay and hope that you are all okay with the grace of Almighty Allah. Dear students, today our topic is balancing of a chemical equation. How to balance a chemical equation? If there is a chemical equation which is not balanced, what are the methods used to balance a chemical equation? With the help of an example, we try to explain that how a chemical reaction should be balanced. First of all, we know that uh, the process of making the number of different types of atoms equal on both the sides of an equation is called balancing of a chemical equation. We'll take an example. For example, hydrogen plus oxygen gives water. This is an example of unbalanced chemical equation. How we balance this chemical equation? We have to balance this chemical equation step by step. First step is we will count the number of atoms on the reactant side and also the atoms on the product side. For example, there is 2 atoms of hydrogen, 2 atoms of oxygen. There is 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen. So we see that the number of oxygen atom are less. There are 2 hydrogen atoms on the reactant side and 2 atoms on the product side. So we have to balance on the oxygen. For balancing of the oxygen, we have to multiply this water H2 by 2 times. When we write like this, we multiply the whole water 2 times, the reaction is like this. So we start counting the number of atoms on that. There are 2 hydrogen atoms, 2 oxygen atoms, 4 hydrogen atoms and 2 oxygen atoms. Oxygen is balanced, but by balancing oxygen, the number of atoms of the hydrogen also increases, because we should not have to change the formula of a compound. We cannot write like this H2O2, because this hydrogen peroxide, not water. We have to multiply the whole compound to balance. So again we start counting the number of hydrogen atoms on the reactant side and on the product side. There's 2 atoms of hydrogen, 2 atoms of oxygen. There's 2 atoms of oxygen and 4 atoms of hydrogen. So we have to balance hydrogen here. There are 4 atoms of hydrogen, so there we have to multiply their hydrogen by 2 times. So we have to write like this: twice H2 plus O2 gives twice H2O. The reaction is like this: 2 times hydrogen, that means total 4 atoms of hydrogen, 2 atoms of oxygen. There are 4 atoms of hydrogen and 2 atoms of oxygen.